Hello friends, I'm sharing a recent work that I did during lockdown with face recognition and computer vision, including a small IoT device that I specially tweaked and programmed for this purpose. Let's see the demo. So, first of all, I'm going to share you or I'm going to show you how it works with still photographs. Let's say I upload one image. So you can see it recognizes all the faces from the picture except few. For example, this she's my mom and the tag is unknown. It shows the email ID of the recognized face with the confidence level. So what I'm going to do is going to a portal. It's my administration portal. I logged in. Go to identity manager and tries to upload a photograph for my mom. So I'm going to pick this one. Once the photo is uploaded, I'm going to save it. Coming back to the same portal, and I'm going to update the training set. It will take a couple of minutes. So here you can see like it is fetching all the images with tags and all the locations, and it is about to complete. At the moment I have approximately 50 images, so it will take a minute or 40 seconds approximately to train it. So it is done almost. Training has been updated. Now if I go to the same image which I had just uploaded, you can see my mom is tagged with her email ID. Now coming back to the fact that I have mentioned, I'm going to use a small IoT device which I just put it inside a box. This is its programmer kit and power supply. So I have programmed it for this specific purpose. I'm going to connect it and put it on a stand. Yeah, you can see it starts. So you can see here it is sending me a stream of video, and here it says like unknown identifier. I'm going back to my admin portal. I will edit my profile. There is no photo, so I'm going to upload my photo into it. Save. So you can see like I have, okay, let me come back. I have attached an old photograph, passport size, and once it is saved, I'm going to my client and will do a retraining. Again, it will take a couple of seconds, so I'm keeping my the focus of the IoT camera to me. So it says training has been done completely, and it starts recognizing my name directly without any interference. So let's have a look at it again. It's just a small IoT camera I programmed. Okay, yeah, that's the reason, because it is sending it multiple times. Now I'm going to show you the same example with another image. Let's see. If I can find a small image, maybe no, maybe this one. So this is the complete family photograph. You can see it tags all the names properly, and that is it.